Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, the Splendor Plus remains a favorite choice for daily riders. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple yet practical design. With stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and lightweight construction, it is designed to make everyday commuting easy and convenient. Engine and performance. Powering the Splendor Plus is a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and efficient performance. The engine is paired with a 4-speed gearbox, providing a comfortable riding experience in both city traffic and rural roads. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest highlights of the Splendor Plus is its excellent fuel economy. The motorcycle offers impressive mileage, making it an economical choice for daily use. Its comfortable suspension setup and upright riding position ensure a pleasant ride over long distances. Features and safety. The bike comes equipped with useful features such as i3S technology for improved fuel efficiency, an easy-to-read instrument cluster, and reliable braking performance. Its durable build quality adds to its long-term dependability. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus continues to be a top choice for riders looking for affordability, fuel efficiency, and reliability. If you want a dependable commuter bike that delivers excellent value for money, the Splendor Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.